So in the course of taking your classes, you might have heard from your professors the term peer-reviewed article, or this is a peer-reviewed journal. But what exactly does that mean?
Likewise, you probably heard the terms peers used when talking about peer pressure or jury of your peers. But what does the term peers mean in the academic publishing world? Similar to what you might assume, peers in regards to academic research or scholarship are other experts in a particular researcher's field of study. So if I do research on brain cancer and their interventions, then my peers are fellow researchers that are doing similar research on the brain and cancers that I am doing. In light of academic scholarship, let's say that I do a research study on a specific drug intervention with cancer patients. After I complete the study and want to share my results, I would write a report on what I did, how I did it, and the results I received. I would then submit that report to a journal that focuses on cancer research. After I submit my report to the journal, the editor of that journal would first screen to see if my research report fits in the scope of the journal. And if it does, then the editor would then send it next to a group of peer reviewers. For this process, most journals send the initial manuscripts anonymously to the reviewers so that the reviewers do not know who the author is. This is called a blind review and helps to reduce bias by the reviewers as they evaluate the manuscript. The reviewers then examine the report and the study that was completed and evaluate it according to current established standards of scientific research. Based on their review, the peer reviewers will then make one of three determinations. 1. Accept the manuscript as is. 2. Conditionally accept the manuscript, but ask for revisions. Or 3. Reject it. Ideally, the identity of the reviewers is also kept anonymous from the authors. This is called a double-blind review, and again is intended to lower any potential bias that could creep in and also ensure that the research is judged solely on the merits of the work being done. Thank you for your time today, and remember that if at any time you have any further questions about peer-reviewed sources or the peer review process, please contact a member of the library staff, and we'd be happy to talk to you further about any of these related topics.